everyone and welcome back to ToeShifterz. Today is going to be an unboxing, as you might have already guessed it by the title block of today's video. So yes, it's something that I've been longing to have for all the years that I've been riding, and from the actual time that I got to know that there is something like this that actually exists. So I've been wanting to have this for a really long time, and I've been waiting, and finally the time has come that I've got it. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what that is. There you go. So that's the Sena 30K Dual. So this has actually come from the US, and my hearty thanks to Vikram and his brother for getting us this device. So we're going to install this on our helmets. So I'm going to do a small unboxing of this one, as there are a lot of unboxing videos and there are a lot of installation videos. So I'm not going to go into detail, but I just really wanted to share this with you guys. So I'm going to use this for a while and then put up a review of my entire gear, of the helmet, of the bike and everything. I've planned it. So maybe shortly, in probably a couple of months, I'm going to have a review of everything that I use, so you guys can know what I use and how efficient they are, how good they are, and you guys can decide for yourself, and it probably would be of some use to you is what I think. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So before that, as you guys know, I use an empty helmet that is right here. It's the Isle of Man TT design helmet. It's an empty, I forgot the name of this, what's that? Never mind. So yeah, it's a very nice helmet, a very well insulated helmet, but yeah, the wind noise, as I've been complaining and you guys have been watching the vlogs, you guys know, I don't know if it's the camera or if it's the helmet. Anyways, whatever it is, I think it has kind of sorted out to some extent. Let's see if we can make it even better. So I currently use this VTS2. It's a 100% waterproof device, and I have been using it for almost 1.5 years now, if I'm not wrong. And I had it on my HJC earlier, and then I installed it on this helmet. This device works beautiful. It's really good. You don't have to spend on a Sena if you don't have the money. This device does the job. It is a Bluetooth communicator. You can easily connect your phone. You can pair with one person very easily. So you guys can definitely go for it. And if you are in need of a communication device where you want to attend calls or you want to listen to music when you're going alone, when you're riding, instead of plugging in your earphones, I think this is a lot more better, safer idea. Also, I just came across a video recently that Steelbird has developed a helmet with inbuilt speakers, and it comes at a cost of 2,200. So I feel that is really reasonable than actually investing on this device. So your helmet cost plus your device cost. So the only feature that I feel is missing in that is not a Bluetooth communication helmet. It is an auxiliary based helmet. So basically you have to connect your phone with an auxiliary cable. So that is one thing which I feel is a little bit of a negative point, but still it's a good step towards something that has been developed for us riders, and the biking community is growing, so it's really good. So now let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and uninstall the device. Let's see what the contents are, and we'll go ahead with the installation of that as well. I doubt if I'm going to make a video of it because it's a little cumbersome opening your helmet, handling the camera and everything, and there are a lot of beautiful videos on YouTube who have actually shown a very nice installation of Bluetooth devices in your helmet, so you guys can check that out. For now, let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. So now we finished the unboxing. As you saw that, it's a very quick unboxing. There's nothing much. It's just a transparent wrapper. You remove it, get it out of the main cover, and you have your device revealed. Let's check out what all do we have as contents on this one. So as you guys saw, it comes very neatly packed. This is the actual box which comes with the two devices. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that. Now, yes. So as soon as you open, there's a nice foam cover on top of it, and as soon as you remove that, it reveals your Sena devices. So let's pick up one. Wow, that looks wonderful. I've been waiting for this for so long, and here it is. So you have your device itself. So this is the main communication device. All of your operations are handled with this. And the next important thing that you have is this device. So basically it is the speaker setup, and it has a microphone as well, and this is what gets hooked onto your helmet. And you have a nice quick release here, so you don't have to actually move about with your helmet. You can just remove your device from here for charging and all the other stuff. So it has two of everything. So there are two mounting devices, and there are two actual Sena devices, as you guys already had a look. Let's go ahead and see what does it have in the bottom part of it. In the lower section, it is all packed very nicely once again, and as you open it up, you have your instruction manual. Oh nice, they actually have included a car charger. Wow, that is a wonderful thing. And you have your charging cable. Everything, it's two numbers, so two charging cables, two car chargers. And this basically is for you to set up your device. They have included nice spacers, so if you have a very well padded helmet and your padding is too much, your speakers are going to go far off from your ear. So you can use these spacers, and you can get the speakers near to you. And they have also included two types of mics. So let me just flip the box. As you can see on this box here, they have actually included one mic which is attached to the thing, so that's a boom mic. Or if you want, you can actually also connect a wired boom microphone or a wired microphone. So basically you have different applications for this. Even I need to check how it's actually going to work. So that was a very quick unboxing of my Sena device. I've got the dual pack because one is mine and one is for Vikram. So since you guys know, we both ride together most of the times, so it's always good to be connected. And since it was his brother who was going to US, so I requested him if we could get this for us, it would be great. So we got a great deal, and I'm really glad that I actually invested in this product. So I'm going to review this after some time. I hope it's going to last. The only problem with Sena is it is not 100% waterproof, so you need to be careful. If it's raining, just remove your device and keep it inside. It is a very expensive device, so I don't think you should try anything. I have seen a lot of videos wherein people have tested and Sena has miserably failed for in a water test. So never ever put your or expose your Sena device to water. If it's raining, if you feel it's going to rain, just remove it. You can live without it for a little while rather than losing it for your entire life. So that's about it. I hope you liked today's video. This is ToeShifterz saying ciao. Ride safe, ride hard, always wear your safety gear, never ever forget your helmet. Your health is more important than anything else. Ciao.